Hello everyone. Today we will discuss cells of the immune system. Cells of the immune system. So the cells of the immune system. So they are the cells. There are different types. First one lymphocytes, phagocytes, axillary cells. Lymphocytes, phagocytes, axillary cells. Three types of the cells of the immune system. First starting lymphocytes. So the lymphocytes are the three types: B cells, T cells, and third one large granular lymphocytes. Previous class we will discuss B cells. Today we will discuss T cells. T cells are T lymphocytes. T cells are T lymphocytes. So these lymphocytes cannot, the lymphocytes are not capable for, producing antibodies. The lymphocytes cannot capable of producing antibodies and cannot recognize the circulating antigens. Cannot recognize capable of circulating antigens. Are called T cells. T cells means the lymphocytes cannot capable of the producing antigens and cannot capturing of the circulating antigens is called as T cells. Next one, the T cells they are producing from the stem cells of the bone marrow. T cells producing from stem cells of bone marrow. So the T cells producing from the stem cells of the bone marrow. Next one, they are reaching to the thymus gland. Reaching to the thymus gland is called as mature T cells. The stem cells are reaching from the thymus gland is called as mature T cells. So these mature T cells is also called as immunocompetent T cells. Mature T cells is called as are called immunocompetent T cells is called as immunocompetent T cell. Mature T cells are called as immunocompetent T cells. So these immunocompetent T cells are reaching to the secondary lymphoid organs. Immunocompetent T cells reaching secondary lymphoid organs. The immunocompetent T cells are reaching to the secondary lymphoid organs. These are converting to the functional immune cells. Functional immune immune T cells converting to the functional immune T cells. They are converting to the functional immune T cells. So these immune cells are the two types, Th cells and Tc cells. So they are the two types. So they are the Th cells and Tc cells. Th cells and Tc cells. So these Th cells and Tc cells is converting to the memory cells and plasma cells. Converting to the memory cells and plasma cells. They are converting to the memory cells and plasma cells. They are converting to the memory cells and plasma cells. Next one, types of the cells. Next one, types of T cells. The surface of the T cells, they contain the granular plasma. The surface of the T cells contain certain glycoprotein molecules. The surface of the T cells contain certain glycoprotein molecules. So these glycoprotein molecules is also called as CD markers. The surface of T cells contain certain glycoprotein molecules. Certain glycoprotein molecules. So the surface of the T cells contain certain glycoprotein molecules. So these glycoprotein molecules is also called as CD markers. Is called as CD markers. They are called as CD markers. The certain B cells contain they are certain T cells. There are certain T cells of the two types. So they are the glycoprotein molecules. The T cells are two types. The T cells are two types. First one, the surface of the T cells. They contain CD4 markers. The surface of T cells contain CD4 markers. The surface of the contain CD4 markers, like namely their T cells are of the two types, namely CD4 plus cells and T4 cells. So they are the CD4 cells. And CD4 cells are CD4 cells are TH cells. CD4 cells are T4 cells. CD4 cells are T4 cells. Next one, the surface of the T cells contain the surface of T cells contain CD8 cells. Or T8 cells. So the cells are the two types. The T cells are two types, namely CD4 cells are T4 cells and CD8 cells are T8 cells. Based on the function, the T cells are the two types. Based on the function, T cells are two types. Based on the function, T cells are two types. T cells are two types. First one, TH cells or T helper cells. TH cells are T helper cells. First one, TH cells are T helper cells. Second one, TC cells or T killer cells. T killer cells. TH cells are T helper cells or TC cells are T killer cells. TC cells are T killer cells. TC cells are T killer cells. So they are the cells are the two types, T helper cells and T killer cells. First one T helper cells. First one T helper cells. Once revise. So the T cells. So the T cells, they are the producing from the T cells producing from the stem cells of the bone marrow. Stem cells of the bone marrow. So these stem cells, they are reaching from the thymus gland. Reaching from the thymus gland, they are converting to the mature T cells. Converting to the mature T cells. These mature T cells is also called as immunocompetent T cells. Mature T cells is called as immunocompetent T cells. So these immunocompetent T cells reaching the secondary lymphoid organs. Reaching secondary lymphoid organs. So in the reaching to the secondary lymphoid organs, they are converting to the functional T cells. Converting to the functional T cells. So these functional T cells are the two types, T helper cells and TC cells. TH cells and TC cells. Types of these cells. The cell surface, they contain a glycoprotein molecules. Cell surface of the T cells contain a glycoprotein molecules. These glycoprotein molecules are called as CD markers. They are also called as CD markers. So they are the two types, CD4 plus type markers and CD8 type of the markers. Next one, the functionally T cells are two types. Functionally T cells are two types. One is the T helper cells, another one is T killer cells. T helper cells and T killer cells. First one, T helper cells. First one, T helper cells. Second one, TC cells or T killer cells. Next one, TH cells. TH cells is also called as T helper cells. T helper cells. TH cells are T helper cells. So these TH cells, so they are the CD4 type. The T helper cells are the CD4 type. T helper cells are the CD4 type. CD4 type. CD4 type. So these T helper cells, so CD4 type means so they are the TH cell. So they are the TH cell. TH cell. So they are the T receptor. T receptor. So they are the T receptor. So they are the CD4 marker. So they are the CD4 marker. Next one. So these are involving to the cell mediated immunity and humoral immunity. TH cells involving cell mediated immunity, cell mediated immunity and humoral immunity. They are involving the cell mediated immunity and humoral immunity. So they are the TH cells. Next one, TC cell. Next one, TC cell or T killer cell. T killer cell. TC cell or T killer cell. Next one, TC cell or T killer cell. First one, so these TC cells or T killer cells are these are the CD8 type. CD8 type. So they are the CD8 type. So they are these are involving. So they are involving only cell mediated immunity. So these T killer cells involving only cell mediated immunity. They are involving only cell mediated immunity. So they are the structure. So they are the T cell receptors. So they are the T cell receptors. Next one. So they are the CD8 marker. These are the CD8 marker. These are the CD8 markers. So they are the CD8 markers. So they are the T helper cells and T killer cells. T helper cells and T killer cells. Next one, last one, large granular lymphocytes. Last one, large granular lymphocytes. Large granular lymphocytes. Large granular lymphocytes. So the large granular lymphocytes means, so these are also called as natural killer cells. They are called as natural killer cells. Natural killer cells. They are called as natural killer cells. Large granular lymphocytes is also called as natural killer cells. Natural killer cells. So these natural killers, so they are the important, the natural killer cells from the body's natural killer cells of the body, most important cells of the human body, most important cells of the immune system. The natural killers of the body, most important cells of the immune system. So these natural killer cells, they are destroying the affected cells. They are these natural killer cells destroying the affected cells, our affected cells. So they are destroying the affected cells like cancer cells. Cancer cells, before the tumor formation, the affected cells are the destroying. So they are called as natural killer cells. So the natural killer cells are the important cells of the human body. So they are important, involving the immune system. So these cells are the destroying the affected cells. For example, just example, these are the one human body. So this cell is affecting from the antigens. So these natural killer cells, so they are the destroying the affected cell. So before they are destroying the cancer cells also. So they are the before the tumor formation, these cells are the destroying the affected cells. So they are the natural killer cells. Next one, phagocytic cells and auxiliary cells.